How do manufacturing defects lead to costly product recalls? Imagine buying a new appliance or device and finding out it doesn't work as it should or even causes harm. That's often the result of manufacturing defects sneaking into the production line. Manufacturing defects are flaws that happen during the making of a product, not because of the design but due to errors in the manufacturing process. These flaws can be tiny cracks, missing parts, or even contamination that slips past quality checks. When these defects are present, they can cause the product to fail in the field, leading to safety issues or poor performance. These defects are a common failure mode because they originate during production, often from mistakes like improper assembly, using faulty components, or contamination. For example, if a batch of electronic circuit boards has soldering issues, they might overheat or short circuit. Or if a batch of plastic parts is molded with incorrect temperatures, they might crack or break easily. These issues are usually hard to spot before the product reaches consumers, especially if the defects are subtle or occur in small quantities. When a defect is discovered after products are sold, manufacturers often have to recall large numbers of units. This process involves identifying the faulty products, notifying customers, and retrieving or repairing the items. The costs can skyrocket quickly. Imagine recalling millions of units across multiple countries, paying for transportation, inspection, and replacement. The company also faces the expense of handling customer complaints and potential legal liabilities if injuries or damages happen. Environmental and design failures can worsen the situation. If a product's design doesn't account for environmental factors like moisture, heat, or corrosion, the defect can become worse over time. For example, a device with poor sealing might fail prematurely when exposed to rain or humidity. This can turn a minor manufacturing flaw into a major safety hazard. Regulatory agencies closely monitor product safety and often requiring recalls if defects pose a risk. The stricter the regulations, the higher the chance a defect will trigger a recall. For manufacturers, this means not only facing financial losses but also damage to their reputation. Customers lose trust if they feel a product is unsafe or unreliable. To prevent these costly recalls, companies focus on improving quality control. They implement stricter inspections, better testing methods, and more precise manufacturing processes. Catching defects early reduces the chance of defective products reaching the market. This proactive approach saves money, protects consumers, and maintains brand trust. In essence, manufacturing defects lead to costly product recalls because they threaten safety, cause logistical nightmares, and invite regulatory action. Recognizing how these defects happen and controlling them during production helps companies avoid the high costs and reputation damage that come with recalls.